I am having trouble logging into my UKG Pro account. How can I reset my password?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that you may run into while using UKG Pro, forgetting your password and the process to reset it. So, if you're unable to log into your UKG Pro account, don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of resetting your UKG Pro password.
Accessing the login page.
First and foremost, head over to the UKG Pro login page. Usually, you can access this through your company's intranet or a bookmarked URL. Once you're on the login page, look for the option that says, "Forgot your password?" This option is generally located near the password input field.
Initiating the password reset.
Click on the "Forgot your password" link. This action will lead you to a new page that will ask you for the email address associated with your UKG Pro account. Enter your email address in the provided field, and make sure it is spelled correctly. After entering your email, click on the button that says "Submit" or "Reset Password."
Checking your email.
After clicking the "Reset Password" button, an email with the password reset instructions will be sent to your email address. Open your email inbox and look for an email from UKG Pro. The email will contain a link that you need to click to reset your password. Make sure you check your spam folder if you don't see the email in your inbox.
Resetting the password.
Once you click the link from your email, you'll be directed to a secure page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password into the provided field, and then confirm it by entering it again in the next field. When creating your new password, ensure that it meets UKG Pro's password requirements, which usually include a certain length, a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, click the button to complete the password reset process. And there you have it. That's how you reset your password for your UKG Pro account. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your passwords secure and change them periodically to maintain your online safety. We hope this video has been helpful. Should you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your HR department or UKG Pro support. Thank you for watching.